All right, for the jurors.
All right, all jurors are accounted for. We can be seated. Mr. Bowie, you're a foreperson. Yeah.
Yes.
Bowie, you have a verdict. So I'm going to review it just to make sure everything's been checked off appropriately. After, if it's all in order, the clerk will ask you each one if this is your verdict, and then we'll take it from there, okay? Okay, all right, Ms. Link. The state of Florida versus Daisy Link, case number F2211523. Verdict, we the jury in Miami-Dade County, Florida, find the defendant, Daisy Link, as to count 1, second-degree murder, guilty of second-degree murder. If you find the defendant guilty of second-degree murder, you must answer each of the following questions. Number 1, did the defendant actually possess a firearm during the commission of the crime? Yes. Number 2, did the defendant discharge a firearm during the commission of the crime? Yes. 3, did the defendant discharge a firearm causing death during the commission of the crime? Yes. So say we all, the 16th day of October 2025, signed by the foreperson. All right, Marilise, we're going to poll the jury.
The jury, if you heard the judge read the verdict, as I call your name, if this is your verdict, please answer yes. If this is not your verdict, please answer no. Keenan Bowie,
Yes.
Ramona Espinosa, Jacqueline Smith,
Yes.
Tiara Campbell,
Yes.
Esther Montoro,
Yes.
Lawrence Vega.
Yes.
Judge, the jurors have said the
Okay. I just have one more thing I have to read to you all. Let me just. Privileges enjoyed by jurors. No juror can ever be required to talk about the discussions that occurred in the jury room except by court order. For many centuries, our society has relied upon juries for consideration of difficult cases. We have recognized for hundreds of years that a jury's deliberations, discussions, and votes should remain their private affair as long as they wish. Therefore, the law gives you a unique privilege not to speak about the jury's work. Although you are at liberty to speak with anyone about your deliberations, you are also at liberty to refuse to speak to anyone. A request to discuss either your verdict or your deliberations may come from those who are simply curious, from those who might seek to find fault with you, from the media, from the attorneys, or elsewhere. It will be up to you to decide whether to preserve your privacy as a juror. And with that, I thank you again. Please go outside with Humberto. I have a certificate of appreciation for you. I'll shake your hand. We'll give you back your electronic devices.
Judge, before you do that, can you start running that office?
Sure. Okay, now we can all rise and you all can go outside with Humberto.
Anything in the back? No? Following me?
All right, folks, we can go off record for 2 minutes. I'll be right back.
Shame. Shame. Gosh. I wasn't expecting that, guys. So she says she's gonna take about 2 minutes. I guess they'll come back and they'll talk about the sentencing when that's supposed to be. Gosh, our calendar gonna be full of sentencing. Wow. Gosh, yeah, I wasn't expecting that. I don't know, just Sharon Rock. It just sounded like they wanted to just I don't know. You said she did too much?
The defendant is not a convicted felon, she has some principles. She would otherwise be held as PSI. I don't know if the defense is waiving that or not, but I would, if we already got the sentencing.
Jury is telling us they have a verdict. I'm going to bring them in. With you from the media, from the attorneys. So we'll just reset this for about 8 weeks time. It's going to print tomorrow anyway, Mr. Tomas, because we're after a cutoff date for the clerk of court. 8 weeks from now puts us roughly around Thanksgiving. So I'll just ask for the pre-sentence investigation to come back the Friday before Thanksgiving, the 21st. Is that all right?
That's fine, I can make myself available.
That's just for the return of the PSI. It's not for actual sentencing itself.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, so 21st is the next court date for the return of the pre-sentence investigation. If it's back then, we can pick a day for sentencing after we get the pre-sentence investigation. Is there anything that I need to address from the parties before we adjourn for the day?
I don't believe that.
All right. All right. Thank you all. We're adjourned. I can sign it. Umberto.